State of Connecticut lawmakers introduced House Bill 7020, an act concerning certified public accountants. And that proposes 3 different pathways to certification. Passing the exam in 2 years of general experience, 150 hours passing the exam in 1 year of experience, or earning a master's degree passing the CPA exam in 1 year of general experience. I feel like earning the master's degree on really is just 150, but maybe there's a way you could get a master's and not hit 150. So I think that's why they have a third path.
And do you know if they require a certain number of hours or if it's just a bachelor's degree?
It just said bachelor's degree, did not say hours.
That's great. Some states are saying it's just a bachelor's degree with an accounting concentration, but some are detailing specific classes, semester hours. They're sticking with that hourly mindset of time in a classroom, which I really encourage them to get away from. It's much better just to let the Board of Accountancy define what an accounting concentration is so that that can be changed. You don't want to stick these specific courses in the law because otherwise you can't adapt the education to meet the changing needs of the market. And also don't require a specific number of education hours. It concerns me when it comes to California, which just introduced a bill. It's Assembly Bill 1175 that would make changes to California's CPA licensure and practice requirements. The California bill, like these other ones, creates that alternative pathway with a bachelor's degree and 1 year of experience. But they're keeping all of these requirements for accounting courses and specific accounting credits, a lot of accounting credits. And my view is that if you want to attract career changers into the profession, if you want to attract people that didn't major in accounting in the first place, which is really what we need to be doing if we want to broaden that pathway, it's not going to work if you still require that effectively an accounting major. And I posted about this on LinkedIn. I said, why do we require an accounting major? In California, did you know that you don't have to be, you don't have to go to law school to become a lawyer?
But you get a bachelor's in anything, and then
you don't even have to go to law school. You could pass the bar and you can become a lawyer, apparently. So, if the bar is such a good exam that we aren't requiring lawyers to go to law school and we're letting them become lawyers in California, then why is the CPA requiring all these specific classes? I mean, the CPA exam is really rigorous and the pass rate is less than 50%. If somebody is so smart and so good at obtaining this knowledge that they can do it without taking the classes, don't you think we want them in the accounting profession?
Yeah, because the exam will flesh out who actually took accounting 101 and 102. And
it should.
A bachelor's degree, that'll surface really quick, I imagine. If not, the test has a big defect if it can't figure that out.
We should totally make CPA licensure much more like CMA, where it's bachelor's degree, exam, and experience. Very simple. Don't require those specific accounting classes.